In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the DNS cache in Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. If you're having trouble loading websites after they've changed servers or updated their network settings, clearing your browser's DNS cache can often help. Browsers store DNS information temporarily, so websites can load more quickly. But sometimes this cached information becomes outdated, leading to connection problems or loading errors. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear the DNS cache in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. Let's start with Google Chrome. Open Chrome and click the address bar. Type chrome://net-internals DNS and press Enter. This opens Chrome's internal networking page. Once the page appears, locate the option to clear the host cache and click it. Chrome will immediately remove its stored DNS cache. Next, if you're using Microsoft Edge, open the browser and click the address bar. Type edge://net-internals on a DNS and press Enter. Just like Chrome, Edge provides an internal DNS page. When it opens, click the button to clear the host cache. This removes any DNS records that Edge has stored locally. Now let's move on to Mozilla Firefox. Open Firefox and click the address bar. Type about networking.dns and press Enter. This opens Firefox's networking diagnostics page. Under the DNS section, locate the Clear DNS Cache button and click it. Firefox will instantly remove its cached DNS entries. After clearing the browser's DNS cache, it's a good idea to close the browser completely and then reopen it. Restarting the browser ensures that fresh DNS information will be requested the next time you visit a website. If you're still experiencing website loading issues after clearing the browser's DNS cache, you may also need to clear the Windows DNS cache. This is separate from the browser cache and stores DNS information for the entire operating system. Clearing both caches can often resolve persistent name resolution problems. Keep in mind that the first time you visit a website after clearing the DNS cache, it may take slightly longer to load because the browser must request fresh DNS information from your network. This is completely normal and usually happens only once. Regularly clearing the DNS cache can be helpful when troubleshooting website connection problems, especially after server migrations or DNS updates. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,